What happens in the brain when you engage in addictive behaviors? I'm Dr. Trish Leigh. Let me explain it to you. Okay, so if you seek out addictive behaviors or substances, so sex, porn, gambling, spending, alcohol, marijuana, anything worse than that, what you are doing is you are escaping reality and numbing your feelings by doing the behavior or using the substance. So what it is doing in most cases is mostly soothing the nervous system and calming it down while simultaneously stimulating the nervous system. So how do you do that without using the addictive behaviors or substances? That's in the next video. So follow me through to the way that you can reboot your brain from addictive behaviors. But let me tell you right now about the ultimate negative feedback loop that your brain is in if you find yourself compelled to go back to that spending, watching porn, drinking, using marijuana. What's happening is your brain has been conditioned to need that to be able to exist in the real world. You can no longer exist here without something to medicate it and to calm your brain and to stimulate it. Here's the negative feedback loop. This is how it works. And it's devastating when it is really locked in there and the brain is wired for this negative feedback loop. Okay, so you get up, you go to work. Work stresses you out. You're worried about money. You come home, your kids are giving you attitude. The way you find escape from that is you pour yourself a drink, or you go play video games, or you watch pornography, or you smoke a little marijuana, or unfortunately, maybe you do all four of them. The reason you're doing that is to calm your nervous system because it is not feeling okay in the real world. At the same time, it needs to feel a little excited about something because the real world is dragging it down. Now, the reality is the real world isn't the problem. It's the loop. So then what happens is once you engage in that behavior, and we'll just use alcohol because it's easy and most people get caught into this loop. So if every day at 5 o'clock you pour yourself a drink to be able to get through your evening and to kind of, come down from the busy day that you had and to be able to chill out into the evening, to be able to engage with your kids without wanting to, lock them in their rooms, then what happens is you have 2, 3, 4 drinks and they make you feel good in the moment. The next day, you wake up with nausea and regret, as I like to say. And then what happens is you feel the need for more of what got you there. And so you'll build tolerances, but at the same time, if you do that chronically, you can't have a day without it. And in the day you have without the drink will be awful. You will be miserable. You will go through withdrawals. So that is the negative feedback loop. The thing that you do that is causing your problems, you need more of to keep you from feeling worse. Negative feedback loop, and it can really lock people into addictive patterns. And the first step of any journey is the hardest. And that's why in the next video, we're going to talk about what can you do to reboot this brain and get moving in the right direction. So follow me through and I'll see you there. And remember, control your brain or it'll control you.